In this video, I'm going to show you how you can start to make money right now, even if you have never made a dime before. In fact, I'm going to show you how you can have your first $5 by the end of this video, and then how you can build from that a real passive income business online. So watch this entire video, you will learn a lot. Hi, my name is Garety, and my goal is to help you to simplify all the processes when it comes to building a money-making business online so that you can cut years to months, months to weeks, and weeks to days, and start to see a real progress with your online business every single day. If that's something that you can relate to or you are interested in, then make sure you hit the subscribe button and bell button right away so you can get updated as soon as I release the latest strategy, video, and tactic for your business. All right, so in this video, we are going to talk about how you can start to make money online right now. And in fact, I'm going to show you how you can have your first $5 by the end of this video. That's how simple it is. Now, my goal really with this video and also the following video, because I'm kind of going to divide this in two parts, is to really enable you to see that daily progress as you build your online business. So in this video, I'm going to give you the strategy, I'm going to give you a little bit of homework to do, and also I will share some results with you. And then in the following video, in the second video, I'm going to share with you a tool, and I'm going to walk you through step by step how to set the whole thing up so that you can have the system ready and you can start to see that daily progress, daily revenue coming in. Now, when it comes to building an online business, it's a fact that it takes a little bit of time. It's not as long as it would be if you would start an offline business, and also the investment is not as high, but still it takes a little bit of time. So you have an idea, you have some kind of trigger in your life that says, hey, I need to go out, I need to start an online business, I need to figure out how to maybe generate extra revenue and whatever it is for you. But you have that idea, and as you have that idea, you start to do some research. You start to go online, you start to look for different maybe YouTube videos, maybe some kind of training programs. And what you do as you do that is you start to collect what I call an inventory, right? Let me write it down. Right? You start to collect an inventory, right? And what is inventory? Inventory is everything you consume. So that could be, for example, an ebook, right? So PDF, right? It could be a video, right? It could be the entire training program. It could be some kind of tools, right? You might be buying some tools because you learned from some training videos or something like that you need a particular tool, and you start to literally collect that information. And some people go wild with this and they start to become, addict of this. So they literally, we call it, they get sick with the shiny object syndrome, where they start to buy all kinds of different things, thinking that money is going to be behind that particular program. So they go wild with it. And what happens is that you collect all this inventory, but you never think about that you could actually leverage that inventory and start to make money from it. So what happens here, and what I want to point out, is that as you start to collect these things, right, you basically get some knowledge, you get some insights, but also what in most cases you will discover is that all these tools, all these programs has an affiliate program. Right? An affiliate program, if you're not familiar with that, affiliate program is basically giving you an opportunity how you can recommend these tools, these programs to other people and earn commission that way. And so the best way what you can do, and the best way how to basically start to make money is to promote something that you are familiar with and you know very well. So if you have, for example, purchased some tools or some training programs and they have affiliate programs, you can sign up and literally grab an affiliate link and start to share it online and earn commissions from that. Now, I'm not going to suggest you to do that right away. I'm going to give you a better strategy. But one thing that you need to do before my next video is that you actually need to collect all this information for, let's say, 6 to 9 months. So I will write down somewhere where you can see it. So 6 to 9 months, right, is the time period for which you want to collect all that information that you have gathered online. So what I call it inventory, you have to gather that in a spreadsheet or somewhere like that, where you have, let's say you can have a spreadsheet with the name, of the program, with the date when you purchased it. You can also check whether it's actually selling today, because a lot of times when you buy something, they get taken out of the market and they are not sold afterwards, or they get outdated. So you want to collect basically all the programs that are out there, and then you want to pick maybe 5 to 10 programs in total that you are going to be promoting and recommending. So I would really suggest that you go through all of that and you basically collect the name of the program, when you purchased it, do they have an affiliate program, are they selling right now, are they current, and just collect all that information in the spreadsheet. And then you can decide about, okay, which of the 5, 10 different kind of programs I could pick, programs or tools I could pick that I could, use to, really start to earn money online. And just to give you an idea how this works is here right now on the screen, you are going to see the results from one of my early kind of evergreen tools that I promoted. It was my private proxy. So I was very involved in SEO when I started online in 2008, 2009, 2010. And this program I started actually recommending in 2011, I believe, or 2012. And I didn't ever promote it actively, but I had that program everywhere where people saw kind of things about me. So I had it in my resource pages, I had it on my membership sites. And as you can see right now, obviously it's a long time, but they have paid me over $21,000 in that period, and I have never ever actively promoted them, right? And it kind of seems like not a lot of money, but when you stack that up with a bunch of different things, and I have hundreds of things like that I have promoted over the years and that are sending me commission. So here's another one, for example, GetResponse. I started to recommend GetResponse, I believe in 2015, right? And again, I have never really promoted it actively, but I have included that in all the kind of communications where people ask me about the tools. I use that in memberships. And you can see that now they have paid me nearly $15,000 over that period of time, And so when you do things in the right way, when you promote something that is really kind of really solid, and maybe they have a recurring, component into the program so that you can refer a customer to them and, the customer stays with them for years and keeps paying you for years, then you can really build up a solid base where, literally you can have a 9 to 5 replacing income per year just from these 5, 10 programs alone. Now, one thing I will show you in the next video is how to actually promote these programs in a proper way so that, most people, what they do, they grab affiliate links and they start to spam others and they go and comment and try to stick the link in. And they think that everybody else is stupid, but nobody's stupid, right? People know things today. And so if you want to really make money with this, you need to recommend it in the right way. And that's what I'm going to share with you, in the next video. Now, I also promised that you are going to make the $5 by the end of this video. And the way how you can do that is if you check in the description under this video, you will find a link to the Dashnext Pages platform, which is my platform. And basically, you can create a free account and claim free website on our platform. And it's not completely fully featured website, but you can still claim that website. And for just doing that, you will be earning $5, right? You'll be earning $5 in credits. And then you can obviously include that in your recommendations as well when you will, build your list, and we'll talk about that in the next video. And then you can earn as much as $15 from every single person that signs up with Dashnext pages, right? So it's just very simple. You will create an account. There's no credit card required. Nothing is required. Just your name and email and confirmation of your email. And once you log in, you will see $5 waiting for you inside. So take action on that. But most importantly, go through this inventory, like look through it and, do the examination in a proper way. So really find out what kind of programs you have purchased, what kind of tools you have. Do they have affiliate program? Is it evergreen? So is it selling continuously? Also, do they have a recurring component into the funnel so that you can recommend this to someone and they are going to pay you commissions every single month? So write that down in the spreadsheet and then be ready for the next video where I'm going to show you what you need to do, exactly what you need to do and how you need to do it. And I'm actually going to give you a template that you can use to set this whole thing up and then be ready to promote and start to make money every single day. So I really hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure you hit the subscribe button, subscribe to my channel, and leave me a comment. Let me know what you are working on and whether this has been a valuable video to you. And also let me know how many programs you have purchased in the last 6 to 9 months. I'll be happy to answer the questions in the comments. Also, if you have some question about an online business in general, shoot it there and I would maybe make a video about it, because as I said, my goal is really to simplify the process for you and helping you in a real way, to make serious money online without all the scammy stuff, right? I'm not really into that, and I'm not really into the get rich quick type of thing. But if you are interested to build a real business, then I'm here to help you. So that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. Hit the subscribe button so you can stay up to date with me. And yeah, I'll see you on the next video. Bye for now.